We are glad that we have come to Bulange, want to respond to the call of the kingdom, because every year as we celebrate the birthday of our Kabaka, there's normally a run with different agendas. This time round, the agenda is fighting HIV and AIDS, and especially rallying the men to be involved in this fight. So we did come as members of parliament together with the leadership of NUP. So we have put together 21 million shillings, which we are using to buy kits so that different people, different supporters, MPs, their constituents and so on participate in the run, but also the clarion call, which is very important. We are glad that the Katikiro has received us, and he has encouraged us as leaders. He knows that we go through numerous challenges, and yes, we shall go through numerous challenges, but he has encouraged us to be firm, to be strong, and to keep pressing on. That when challenges do come, yes, as leaders, let's sit and find ways of dealing with the challenges that do come through. And yes, we'll continue to engage. Whenever challenges do come, we sit and discuss and so on. What's important is that we have guiding principles that we've got to stick by. You see, even in a family, when a child makes a mistake, there's different ways of handling it. Sometimes the parents will sit the child, talk to them. Another time, it might be different ways of punishing the child. Now you're going to be grounded. You won't go out of the house for a week, or curfew will be brought down, or that kind of thing. But other times, as the Bible says, spare the rod and spoil the child. So the parent might say, now lie down. Give the child a few strokes of the cane to instill discipline. That's important. That doesn't mean that the child ceases to be a child just because they're being disciplined. So even as a party, yes, there's various ways we handle issues. Sometimes, yes, we do talk, sit, and engage. Other times there are sanctions. Other times, yes, like the other father in the home, the chiboko will be brought out and it will be used, you know, on some of, whether it be leaders or members and that kind of thing. That does not mean that we don't love them as leaders or as members, but we are saying we have got to stick to our core values, because Ugandans look at us as leaders, so we cannot deviate, all right? So when we are putting people in line, it does not mean that we don't like them or that kind of thing, no. And no one should be spreading all of that. They don't like me, it's because of this and the other. No. When you're being disciplined, it's important. The Bible says pride comes before a fall. We need to be humble as leaders and follow what's right.